Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by adding the accounts to your iPhone so calendars can talk to each other. First, make sure your Outlook, Exchange, or Microsoft 365 and Google credentials work. Open Settings, go to Calendar, then Accounts, and tap Add Account. Choose Exchange if your Outlook is business or school. Choose Google if you're adding a Google account. Enter email and password, then allow contacts/calendars access. Once done, you'll have both calendars visible to the system and can move to syncing options. Now you configure what actually syncs and how. In Settings, right arrow Accounts, tap each account and make sure Calendar is toggled on. For Exchange, choose Mail, Contacts, Calendars if prompted. For Outlook, pick a sync range such as 1 month or all events depending on storage and battery concerns. If you use the Outlook app, sign in there and enable Calendar Sync. If you prefer Google Calendar app, do the same. Make sure the calendars are checked in each app's calendar list so events are visible. Finish by verifying and refreshing so changes take effect. Open each calendar app and pull down to refresh. Confirm events from Outlook appear in Google Calendar or vice versa based on your chosen view. If events duplicate or are missing, toggle the account's calendar off then on, or remove and re-add the account to reset sync. Make sure both apps and iOS are updated and you have a stable network. If problems persist, check Exchange server settings or contact your admin for policy-related.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.